Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in interesting little article and news item about the Windows 10 machines that cannot upgrade to Windows 11. Canalys that does give out different types of numbers, including numbers on market sales, market share for PCs, Windows, and all of that, has estimated the number of Windows 10 machines that are not capable of upgrading to Windows 11. So the latest number we kind of have is that Windows 10 is on about 1 billion machines right now. And of course, like this machine that you see here on the screen, on the upper right, it does say that this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11. According to Canalys, the number of PCs that do not meet the minimum requirements is around 250 million, at least 250 million. That's a lot of PCs. So, of course, out of 1 billion, it would suggest that more than that 75% of PCs could. Now, I don't know about these numbers. I find the number of PCs that can't upgrade maybe a little low. I would put PCs that can't upgrade at a higher number than that. Yet I know that more than 50% of all Windows 10 PCs actually on the market right now, according to the latest, to more accurate numbers, are capable of upgrading to Windows 11. They just are staying there on Windows 10. So there's still a lot of machines that could technically go to Windows 11, but with all the bad reputation, I think it's preventing a lot of people that just don't want to. And, people are happy with Windows 10. So what's actually going to happen with this? Well, one thing for sure is that now we know Windows 10 will have a extended 3-year support, but that extended 3-year support means that you'll have to pay for it. Still no numbers on how much it's going to cost. So you'll have that choice. Another choice that is interesting, there's a company called Zero Patch that actually offers security patches for software that are quite inexpensive, roughly $25 a year. And they've added Windows 10 to the list of what they are going to patch, which means if you don't want to use the patch Tuesday of Microsoft, you have security patches that will be released by Zero Patch, and it'll cost $25 a year. And of course, the other course that will happen is that you can convert a PC into a Windows 11 PC still by bypassing minimum requirements, even if Microsoft kind of tells you not to do it. That will probably still work in 2025, which means you could, use your same PC, just install Windows 11 without the, all of the minimum requirements check, which isn't that difficult to do, actually. For the rest, the two last options will be some will run Windows 10 without the security updates, which is a very bad idea, as the number of security flaws each month means it becomes very quickly unsecure. And the other options is that there will be probably a small number that will move on to Linux distro on their PCs. So this is interesting, but I think that 250 million plus number is maybe a little low. I would expect maybe more than that are not compatible, but that's the numbers they came up with by analyzing the PC market with Windows 10 machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.